Jetpack Compose UI Series EP3. Glassmorphism login screen using Canva background design. Open the splash design from episode 2. Open the layers and remove the text. Move the icon slightly upward for a cleaner look. Download the design as a PNG background image. Open Android Studio and paste the image into the drawable folder. Set the background image using image and fill max size. Create a glass card using transparency, rounded corners, and a light border. Add glass style email and password text fields using outline text field. Add a trailing icon for password visibility and hide/show functionality. Email and password preview. Add "Remember me" and "Forgot password" text in a single row. Now create a rounded login button to match the modern UI design. Login button preview. Use divider to add a separating line. Use spacer for spacing between items. Add social login buttons in a row using Google and Facebook icons. Get social icons from icons 8 with different sizes and colors. Add a sign-up text to navigate to the sign-up screen. Enter email and password. Toggle password visibility. Press the login button to test the screen. Tip. And that's our modern glass login screen complete. In the next episode, we'll create the sign-up screen.